Okay, 31 days, 10 kilos to try and lose, Chat GPT, deciding what I eat, what exercise I do, and even giving me motivational quotes. Let's see what happened. Hi everyone. Well, first of all, a bit of an apology. I think I'm about 3 days late with this video, but I have a good reason. Here is my grandson who was born on the 1st of September. He had a bit of a rough start to life, but he is fighting fit and doing really well. Him and mum are at home. So I've been spending a bit of time with them and worrying and making sure that they're all fit and healthy. So I hope you'll excuse me that this one is a bit late. Anyway, let's see how we got to the final version of the weight loss challenge that took me from the end of near the end of August to the beginning of September. Let's see what we did. Okay, so we went into the Healthy Path GPT that I built a few weeks ago. Check out this video if you want to see how I did it. It's right at the beginning. And I wrote a prompt and said I lost 2.1 kilos last week. I'm pleased with that. I was. Please create a new diet and exercise plan with motivational quotes for the next 8 days to take me through to the end of August. Could you also generate a shopping list for me? One of my colleagues, Sonia, hi Sonia, asked if you could get the plan to generate a shopping list. So that's what I did. Let's see what happened. Okay, so it congratulates me. That's nice. Great achievement, and shows my dedication, and starts then giving me the diet plan for the next 8 days. Hydration, drink a lot of water, 8 to 10 glasses a day. Mindful eating, eat slowly and listen to your body's hunger. The Greek yogurt was in there again, apple slices, baked salmon, smoothie. I tried that again. That was nice. And then the exercise, warming up for 5 to 10 minutes. Not so good at that. Cooling down, bit better. Take a rest day. I certainly took at least one of those. And it gave me an idea for each day, motivational quotes. And there we go, the shopping list just for Sonia, which I did take to Tesco's, and was able to make sure that I had everything I needed for the week ahead. Okay, so behind me I've got my final week of menu and exercise, full body strength training with squats. Yes, did go to the gym. Some grilled chicken, quite a lot of grilled chicken in this menu. Went through to Saturday and Sunday, and then I did a few more days just to get me to the end of August. So there we go. Finished on the Wednesday with the smoothie. Thursday, Friday, and Sunday was the 1st of September. That's when my grandson came. So that's why the video has been a bit delayed. So also again had my motivational quotes, which I find very helpful. And yes, so that was that week. Let's see what happened. Hi everyone, it's the professor here. So it's almost the end of week 4, and I'm about to have my first game of squash. Even though I said in the first week that I like playing squash, I've not actually managed to do it. So we shall see what happens. I predict it will be a bit of a car crash. I hope that I survive, but I'll report after Rohit's given me a good whooping on the squash court. See what happens. Okay, so the squash update. I'm knackered, but it was good. My body seemed to have held up, and I think we just played squash a little bit better today. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. I lost, in case you want to know, every game, but put up a decent fight, so I'm quite happy with that. Catch you later. Hello. Get round. Hello. The professor here. I hope you're well. Getting to sort of middle of the last week of the diet, and I don't know whether it's because we're getting to the end of August, feels like the summer is coming to an end, more people back at work, kids go back to school next week. It feels like we're getting to the end of the summer. It's a bit there. Anyway, diet this week, I don't know, it feels like it's been a bit more of a struggle. I've done some other things. I went to visit my son
So I had a day out, so I didn't get much exercise done, and then I was a bit knackered. So yeah, I don't know. We will see what happens at the end of August. But I'm out for a walk. It's quite a nice day. There's a big fire. It's a bonfire, not a house fire. I've just walked past, which was exciting. But yeah, let's see how we get on. Catch you soon. Bye bye. Everyone, it's Sunday and I've just done another run and it's been good. It's been a good run this time. I managed to go probably a kilometre and a half, maybe even further than I've run previously, so I'm making progress. Enjoyed it. Okay, catch you soon.
Well, I think it's been a good last week. I've enjoyed it. The weather's gone a bit rubbish in the end of the week, so it probably made me less keen to go out having the long walks that I've been doing. But just reflecting overall, I think it's been a good diet. I've enjoyed the food. I've enjoyed the exercise. It's sort of kept me going, and yeah. So here we go for the final weigh-in. So if you remember, last week, at the end of last week, I was 106.3 kilos. Remember, I started at 112 kilos. And this week I am, remember it's slightly longer week. This week I am 104.1. Wow. So 2.2 kilos in the week. And yeah, I've really enjoyed it. So I've gone from 112 to 104.1. That is I think a 7.9 kilo loss. So that's 17 and a bit pounds, or in old money, 1.2 stones in a month. So in 31 days, I've lost 1.2 stone. That feels really good. I'm really pleased with that. Anyway, I guess my decision is, do I carry on or do I stop? And I think I'm going to carry on. I can tell you I have carried on. It's now a few days after the end of the month and I have carried on. So I'm going to continue. Maybe I'll give you a sort of monthly update, something like that, to see how I'm going on, or maybe a 2-monthly update to see how long I keep it going. Anyway, that's been really fun. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, there's going to be loads of other things on the channel. Please subscribe and ring the bell and you'll get informed of when other videos come up. Please give me a like. That really helps to get other people to see the videos. I'll see you soon. I've been the Professor. Bye-bye for now.